Get paid to listen to music. Current Cash Rewards app. That's what we'll be talking about today. But first, please subscribe to the channel. I make videos about making money online. I have hundreds of videos in my back catalog. I also have a playlist of really cool cash apps that work and such. And I'll put a link to that right up here now. Bing, there you go. Check that out later once you're done watching this video for some other cool stuff. Anyways, let's get right into this. Now I'm going to show you some things here, and then I'm going to show you some of the stuff on the app, the playlists and such, and the quality of music. Okay, so you want to earn money, this such, playing your favorite music. Now you earn up to $600 a year, so not bad. And plus, it's a free streaming music service. It's not like a paid for service like Spotify or Apple Music or any of that stuff. Search and play from over 100,000 radio stations. Earn points by playing your favorite music. Share your points with your favorite brands, or spend your points with your favorite brands. And earnings. You can just go to the Google store here or the iOS store here. Let's look at some of the reviews here on iOS. 4.3 out of 5, pretty nice. And then we also have the 4.4 out of whatever this is, Google Play. So pretty cool. Let's take a look at the app itself. All right, so here's the app itself. All kind of different music. There's trending, there's moods, there's alternative, pop music, playlists, rap and R&B and soul, EDM, different decades, rock and metal, and you pretty much put in whatever styles you like when you first sign up for the app, and it'll give you like your own playlist as well. Relax and chill, indie music, Latin and stuff, and Asian pop, holiday, and all kinds of stuff, musicals. So it's pretty cool. Let's look at the points real quick here. Point system. You can get paid out with PayPal, get paid out with Amazon gift cards. There's different tasks and stuff you can do. You can share your opinion. There's little surveys and stuff on here as well to get more money. And you can get up to $600 a year. So it's pretty cool. PayPal money, Amazon gift cards. There's a couple other options there as well. And these, of course, are subject to change. So at the time of making this video, this is what is there. And of course, there's a referral program as well. I have a link in the video description below, and I'm gonna get, I think, 500 points or something when you sign up with my link, and then you can share your link as well and get your friends to sign up, and you'll each get something out of it. I'm not certain if you get something out of just using my link or not, but it's worth checking out. And you, like I said, you can invite your friends and get even more points. So pretty cool. It's a really cool way to make some money. Obviously, $600 a year. That could be, a new iPad or something at the end of the year or whatever you want to spend your money on. Oh yeah, by the way, it's US and Canada only at the moment. My invites, at least. I don't know. Let me know in the comments below if you sign up in a different country, because it might be different in different locations. That I'm not sure of. Please do let me know if you're like in Europe or something or wherever. So check out some of my other videos. I got hundreds of videos about making money online. All kinds of cool stuff. I'll pop them up on the screen here. And that is all for now, and I will talk to you soon.